Hey y'all. So I have a big old plate full of these is non-pressed. These are some chunks that I had from previous videos. So yeah, I'm about to eat some spoonfuls. Mmm. And it's drenched with baby powder. We made a quick little Walmart run, and I grabbed me a few lures, and hubby, he grabbed him a few items as well. Then we headed on to the market, and we grabbed this big old box of fish because we love our fish. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and vacuum seal these. So yeah, I'm going to put a couple, seal them up, and then I'll put it in the freezer, and they is nice and tight, ready to get put up. So yeah, it makes it so much easier instead of using that big old box trying to put it in the freezer or put it in the deep freezer, which we use our deep freezers only for our pods. But anyways, yeah, they're nice and tight, ready to get put up. And hubby made some vegetables with rice, and I fried the fish. I like mine a little Cajun. And he made some dessert, little peanut butter cake, I guess. It was good. I got me a little piece with some milk. And then we came out to go and take our little tiny fishing boat out. Yep, so that's what we're doing on this nice, lovely Saturday. Even though it's freezing out here, it looks really nice, but it's really cold. But yeah, we're about to go ahead and jump on this water. He fishing with some worms. I'm going to be fishing a little later. Right now I'm just settling in. Got my little furries, keeping them warm. It's really cold out here right now. Even though they got natural coats. So now we moving away from the bridge. We sit there for like an hour. And then we headed on out. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Just taking out this little bitty boat. Got me a little quick Instagram post. And this is what we're doing, y'all. Just kicking it on this nice Saturday. Relaxing. The same thing we do every Saturday. We like to go fish. But this time we on this little tiny boat. Now we do have a couple boats at the house. But those hubby is repairing and those is getting sold. So we'll just focus on this little tiny boat for now. But anyways, yeah, I'm just lure fishing right now before it get dark. So that's what I'm doing right now. And look at hubby, he caught a fish. He actually caught I think it's a bluegill, if I'm not mistaken. Or a crappie. I think they're the same thing. But let's see him take it off. He's not a keeper. Feel really good though. I love sitting by the water. Actually, it feels good because we're actually sitting on the water. But either way it go, being by the water is just so relaxing. And I'm actually enjoying myself. And plus you can get your thoughts together. It's just so peaceful. But yeah, I'm just continuing to fish. And usually when we come, I don't really fish that much because I be too much into my work, because I still do like other work besides cornstarch. So yeah, usually I have my tablet or my iPad and I just be working. But today I just want to go ahead and indulge, you know, kick it with hubby. Even though we always kick it, but you know, I just want to go ahead and fish. But yeah, hope you guys is enjoying the vlog. And it is nighttime now. We was out there pretty late. And hubby, he caught another fish. So that's number 2 that he caught so far. And he's trying to get this little thing off the hook. hubby caught another fish. So this is fish number 3 that he caught. He's catching a lot of little babies. I guess they're hungry. So he's feeding them worms and chicken liver. Now let me go ahead and focus on my fishing while hubby over there catching all the fish. So yeah, I'm just sitting here trying to keep warm. I done put this sweater on. I got another sweater under. So yeah, I'm trying to be nice and warm. And the puppies, they're covered up in their little blanket. And I could not stop laughing. For some reason, I could not stop laughing. Just cracking jokes, you know, having a good old time. Hubby caught another fish. So that is fish number 4. Yep, it is not a keeper. And he tried to throw it out and it went right in the boat. So yeah, he about to go ahead and grab him out and throw him in the water. So I'm just sitting here waiting patiently, and all of a sudden I get a nice little bite. So yeah, I go ahead and start wheeling him in, and I got a fish. This is my first fish. Actually, it's my only fish. It's a catfish, a little tiny baby, like the ones hubby been catching all night. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and reach my pole to hubby, so that way he can take this little thing off and toss him back in the water. Poor little fish. He was really hungry. Hubby had to get that little hook out of his throat. Now I'm about to go ahead and get a little work in. I thought I wasn't, but I couldn't resist it. Now we're about to take everything out the boat, and then we're about to head on home. So yeah, this is how our Saturday went. Now I'm about to go home and relax. And I grabbed this little desk organizer, and I printed out some categories that I'm working on. It's exact like the wall. So yeah, they're nice and printed, and I just like made little place mats for them so I know which slot goes in each category. And this is the finished product of my office. This is the only thing I'm going to do to this office while I'm here at this house, because I know once I move, my office is not even going to look like this. The color won't even be even this color. But anyways, this is the finished product. And this little thing I have on the wall for more organizing stuff. And this is me. I am actually in a large shirt. So I'm back because I'm craving a little bit, even though I don't swallow baby powder. But I have a taste for something tasty. So yeah, that's what I'm about to snack on. Some chunks and BP. And a lot of videos that I do, a lot of my subscribers be already requesting, so I'm not over here encouraging no one to eat this.